Do your Netflix apps keep crashing, freezing, or not working after the updates or payment on your iPhone? To solve the not opening, app crashing, or freezing, you need to follow only these 3 different processes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1, check the setting for Netflix. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Find out Netflix. Turn this on. Also, enable Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Solution 2, offload Netflix app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the Netflix app, tap Offload, tap Reinstall. Solution 3, free up iPhone storage. You can remove some storage by removing unwanted files on iPhone. After that, restart your iPhone. Now, if you still have any problems with the Netflix app crash, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.